Happy bonfire night, get your fireworks outside, babies say fireworks, toddlers say fireworks. Dance to the music. One day, bonfire night finished November 6th. Did you know some cats and dogs get scared on firework? Yes, they might cry. Don't take your dogs and cats outside to see the fireworks, they might hurt their ears. But everyone is coming bonfire night. Bonfire night, bonfire night, bonfire night is my favorite year. Happy bonfire night, happy bonfire night, happy bonfire night.